Hey folks, this is Adam from 911 Studios, and today we've got one of the most innovative, no, the most innovative massagers that I've ever used. And I know you're excited. If you have come to the channel before, you've checked out our videos, you know that I have a lot of cool massage devices, but the key to this channel's success is that I'm always debuting stuff you've never seen before. If you haven't been here before, go ahead and click subscribe and click the notification bell for all our updates because we have some of the coolest stuff you've ever seen. Now, I know you have to be wondering, what is this? This is a heating pulse massage for your neck, which is great for travel. It has a remote control and it has some features that you will not believe. So you're gonna wanna stick around as I tell you all about this fantastic product. So let's go ahead, first off, here we go. Here's the box that it came in. It says that it is an intelligent massager, intelligent neck massager. It does potentially come in various colors, and it says a massager for every need, massager of intelligence, neck and easy to use, enough to alleviate discomfort of your major muscle groups. You can also put this potentially on your leg, on your shoulders, things like that. Now, what are the keys to getting it to work and what's so special about it? First off, it uses electric impulses to massage you. So when you put it on your neck, it will cause a slight contraction because of electric impulses of the muscles in your neck. And you can control the amount of power that you have by using this fantastic, tiny little remote. Now, just a personal piece of advice. The first thing I did was when I got it, I went ahead and I charged it, and it's just USB charging. It comes with a cable. It's right there, just hidden right below a little piece of rubber to protect it. Right there, you gotta protect your tings, as they say in Jamaica. Second, you're gonna want to wet your neck to get the full impulse. I'm not kidding here, folks. You have to take like a damp towel and just a little bit of wet to be able to feel this. If you don't do that, you're gonna be like, oh, this thing doesn't work, I wanna return it. It's a great device. Don't think you have to return it. It works just fine. Wet your neck. So what do we have here? Now here's the remote control. I'll try to hold that steady for you. It has, you can change the heat temperature, you can change the mode, and the amount of pulse up and down, plus and minus. Really simple to use there. The overall power switch is right here, and I gave mine a full charge when I got it. Hold it down for a second. The charge is blue, so you know that it's fully charged, and you hear a little beep when you hold it down. Wet your neck. That's the theme here today, folks. Wet your neck, set it on the back there, and then just kick it off, and let's make that thing heat. It's currently heating the back of my neck, and if my neck was wet, I could adjust the impulses, and what you get is a boom, 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 boom. These slight impulses in your neck that give you a very relaxed feeling, and it's pretty fantastic. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and put a link in the description below. It does also come with a user manual. I'm gonna put all the details as well in the description below. You're gonna wanna pick one up. It's pretty fantastic. There are certain things that you don't wanna do if you have malignant tumor, bleeding tendencies, if you're a pregnant woman, if you have a pacemaker, if you have inflammation or metal implants near your heart. Do not put anything that gives electric stimulus into a pacemaker. That sort of thing. A lot of common sense. I think most of you are gonna be able to use this, but read through the instructions and the requirements. It does have, right, just to make it obvious, the back here are the electrodes. Number 2 and 3 is the charging interface, and number 3 is the on-off switch right here. Pretty much showed you everything about this. It's also, and this is just a personal note here, very comfortable. You may look at this and wonder, is it comfortable, Adam? And the answer is yes. And again, you can wear it on different parts of your body. Whether that's a little bit of impulses here, you want to put it on your leg, it just clips onto your leg, and it'll give a soothing sensation, a warming sensation, and that little contraction sensation as well. You're gonna feel like a new man or woman. You're gonna see the difference in your face, your body, your feeling, your neck. And let's face it, if there is anything in America that's struggling, it's the fact that we all sit all day. We play on computers and cell phones. Do yourself a favor when you're sitting at the corporate desk, when you're sitting at the office, when you're sitting in the car on the way to the office. Throw this bad boy on. Enjoy a nice neck massage. Maybe at lunch, maybe on the way to work. People are going to wonder why you're in a better mood, and the better mood is because of this. This is the smartest, the most intelligent neck massager, and you probably saw it first here on 911 Studio. So go ahead and click like, subscribe, and that notification bell is your friend. Thanks again for watching. I'm Adam. Go pick one up for yourself. There's a link in the description below and all the information below. And if you have any questions, I'm your man. I will try to answer any pertinent questions that you have. So go ahead and do that. Thanks for watching, and you know what else? Adios, amigos.